Did all they join? Already 5. Okay. So what about the answer?
6.8, ma'am.
6. This is of capital M. So if it will be a odd number, there is no problem in that. You can calculate directly, right? So if it will be an even numbers presence in your data, you need to do such kind of addition. So if you will get the answer from n plus 1 by 2 as a rounded number, 2, 3, 4, no points in that. If in case you just take directly the third observation present in the data. If you will get some points from 0.1 to 0.9, you can take those two numbers for the addition to find out the particular size, right? That is nothing but median. Hope you all understood, right? So this is what
Yes,
the
ma'am.
calculation of median for individual observations, or if your numbers present as even or odd in the data. So the next important one is calculation of median in a discrete series. Just write down calculation of median in a discrete series. I will take only up to discrete series. Okay. So only one problem you need to do. Calculation of median for discrete series. Which type of data it is consisting of? Generally, in discrete series, either it may be a class intervals or it may be a rounded numbers. How the type of data in discrete series?
Rounded number.
Rounded number.
Rounded number.
So for the computation of, just write down like 1 point. For computation of the median, in discrete series, we should follow the steps. We should follow the steps 1, 1, same as before. What is that? Data should be arranged in ascending or descending. Data should be arranged in ascending or descending. It was the first point. The next step is find out the cumulative frequencies. Just write it down as a full form. Don't write in short form. Cumulative frequencies. CUMU. Cumulative frequencies. So first we need to arrange our data either in maybe ascending order or descending order. The second point, we need to find out the cumulative frequencies for the given data. And the third one is median is equals size of n plus 1 by 2 item. Median is equals size of n plus 1 by second item. The last fourth point is find out the value. Find out the value of n plus 1 by second item. It can be found first locating the CF. Find out the value of n plus 1 by second item, full stop. It can be found by first locating the cumulative frequency the cumulative frequency, which is equal to what? N plus 1 by second, or the next to this. That means, suppose if you get the value of this n plus 1 by 2 is 5, your cumulative frequency is either may be equal to 5 or it may be next to this. That means if your data is having next highest number as a 7, that's what the next to this 5 number, it will be a 7. Likewise, you just assume, or next higher to this, and then determine the value corresponding to it, and then determine the value corresponding to it. This will be a value of median. Just write down, this will be the value of median. So what we need to do for calculating the median for a discrete series? First point, we have to arrange our data either ascending or descending. Next one, we need to find out the cumulative frequencies for the given data. And the third one is, we have to calculate the size. Median is size of the n plus 1 by 2 item. So in that n plus 1 by 2, we will get some value. So this value is to be equal to the cumulative frequency value, or it may be a next higher to the value which is present in our data, which is present in our given data. So you just do it one problem, you can get full clarity. Just write down the problem. Find out the median for the following data. Find out the median for the following data. Make it into 2 columns. Just write down as a rows. Number of angular seeded plants. Angular seeded plants. This was the first column. And the next one is number of plants. Number of plants. So under angular seeded plants, you just write down 12, 8, 17, 10, 11, 16, 18, 14, 6 and 7. Under number of plants, 39, 33, 42, 40, 47, again 42, 60, 50. Under 6, you just write down 22. Under 7, you just write down 25. This is 22, 2, 2. So after writing this data, you just make a tabular column consisting of 3 columns. Angular seeded plants, which we need to arrange our data either ascending or descending, no? So this is angular seeded plants in ascending order. This is the first column. And the second one is number of plants. See, ma, what we arranged in the ascending order number, you just write the respective number of plant number here. And the last column is what? CF, cumulative frequency. So write down. You just write it in the form of ascending order. Angular seeded plants. The first number is which number?
6, ma'am.
6,
Yes. 6, 7,
6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14.
16.
16, 17, and 18.
Just write down. So we just write down their respective number of plants. Under 6, which number we have?
22,
Yes, 25.
25,
Likewise.
33, 40, 47, and 39, 50, 42, 42,
42 and 60.
and 60.
Yes, number of plants. Just write down under number of plants as a small f. Small f denoted as frequency. So the next step is the calculation of cumulative frequency. How you will calculate this? See here. First number will remain the same for calculating CF. It will be a 22. This is cumulative frequencies. These are frequencies. So you just forget about these angular seeded plants. Okay, you just make a note. Only just remember these frequencies. So under the frequency, first column we have 22. Just write it down. Same number under cumulative frequencies 22. The next number will be this 22 plus this 25. Am I right? This 22 plus this 25. How much it will be?
47.
Yes, good. The next number?
80.
Yes, 47 plus 33. Am I right?
80, 80, 120,
So likewise, you can get 167.
400, ma'am, last.
Last
90,
one is 400. The next important one is we need to calculate the median. Write down. Median is equals size of what? N plus 1 by 2. So here you have to take N as a cumulative frequency total, last cumulative frequency number. So how much you will get in the last frequency number? That will be a
400.
400. So you have to take 400 plus 1 divided by 2. How much the answer will be?
200.5, ma'am.
200.5. So this will be a which item? First or second item?
First.
See, where 200 is there?
12th, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12th. 12th means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth item. It's not a fifth item.
Madam.
It's a sixth item, no? Actually, the value will be 206. What we have in our textbook, the value will be 206 under cumulative frequency. Once again, you check. Is it right?
Yes,
But
madam.
what we got here? 200. So if it is not equal to this 206, you can take the before number. Which one is there before? Before to 206, which one is there?
167.
So this 167 number is which item?
Fifth one.
ma'am.
So the answer is what? Median is how much? The median is
167.
the median is 11. Sorry. Fifth no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth one. Fifth number is 11, I think, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, ma'am.
But in textbooks, they have given as 12. See, ma'am. Up to this, everyone will get clarity, right? So first, we have an x. You just assume as variables, that is x. Then the next column is frequencies. We need to calculate cumulative frequency. And previously, what we have taken for calculating n plus 1 by 2, we are considering number of observations for calculating n plus 1 by 2. But in case of discrete series, when we have to calculate these cumulative frequencies, you need to consider the small n as the last number of the cumulative frequency. That is what here we will take 400 as a n, small n. Then you have to get some n plus 1 by 2 formula. By using this, you will get some x number, whatever it is, 200 or 400 or whatever it is. So you just check whether the answer, the x number will be present in this data or not. Suppose here we have 206 and 167. Our answer will be lied between these two, right? Between 206 and 167. Your 206 is which item? 206 is 6th item and 167 is 5th item, right? So here you just see the respective variable where it is lying, in which position it is lying. Just calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the positions. Just write it with pencil for easy understanding. Okay. So you just consider in which position your number will be lied. So we have 200 as the answer, but the exactly 200 will not be present in our cumulative frequencies. In such cases, you need to take either 206 or 167, whatever it is. It doesn't create any issue because our answer is lying between these two numbers. So in the textbooks, they have mentioned as median value 12, but you may get 11 as a median value too, because the median is lying between these two positions what you have given in the particular data. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I think you all understood very well. I will give some 1 or 2 exercise problems. You just do it in the same manner under median. Okay. Just leave the class. It's already 11:30 now. Okay, ma. You just calculate once. Any doubts, ask me in the next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, ma. I'm closing the class.